If you're even thinking about trying, ask Steve AI. Here are 7 crucial things you need to know, because this isn't just another AI tool. It's one of the most interesting just released AI softwares I've tested this year, and I've tested thousands. Stick around, because number 6 and number 7 could save you hours of frustration and actually make you money if you use it right. Before we dive in, you can try Ask Steve AI completely free from the first link in the description. No credit card needed. And if you like using ChatGPT or Perplexity, this might become your new favorite, but with a twist that most people totally miss when they first try it. Now, Ask Steve AI is built for answers, but what sets it apart is how it delivers them. You're not just asking any AI bot a question, you're asking Steve, a virtual expert that's been trained to give answers like a real human consultant would. That means context-aware, straight-to-the-point responses, and even follow-up questions if your original one isn't specific enough. It's crazy how many AI tools still fail at that. Second, speed. Ask Steve AI is optimized to get you actionable answers without fluff. I asked about SEO strategies for local businesses, and instead of a wall of text, I got a clean, numbered plan I could actually use. This isn't like ChatGPT just giving you a Wikipedia dump. It's much more intentional. Third, no learning curve. This is a huge deal. Whether you're a digital marketer, content creator, or small business owner, the interface is dead simple. Ask your question, get your answer. No training, no configuration. That makes it ideal for non-techies and busy pros alike. Fourth, Ask Steve AI isn't just pulling from a fixed knowledge base. It's connected to live, recent data. So if you're asking about trends, news, or real-time topics, it gives you updated responses. Perfect for anyone in fast-moving industries. Fifth, there's an underrated feature, session memory. If you're asking follow-up questions, it remembers the context of your previous ones. That means you can build deeper answers across multiple prompts without having to re-explain yourself. Super useful for workflows like content planning, marketing funnels, or strategy development. Now, number 6, this is where it gets powerful. Ask Steve AI can actually roleplay experts. You can prompt it to act like a SaaS founder, a YouTube strategist, or a Facebook ads expert. It doesn't just switch tone, it adapts its thinking framework. That's next level if you're using AI to replace expensive coaching or consulting. And finally, the pricing. Even though this is a premium grade tool, the free version is shockingly generous. You can get started without limitations that ruin the experience, but the Pro plan gives you even more. Priority processing, deeper memory, and multiple Steves you can configure for different tasks. So, is Ask Steve AI worth it? Absolutely, especially if you're tired of generic answers and want something that feels closer to real advice than AI noise. Again, you can try Ask Steve AI totally free from the first link below. And after testing thousands of AI tools, I've listed my top recommendations, including Ask Steve AI in the description. Go try them, compare them, and see which fits your workflow best.